Okay, so filmmaking challenge number 4. This one is a little bit tricky. In theory, it's pretty simple, but you've got to be really precise to pull it off. So what I want you guys to do is do a little bit of forced perspective. So that means when you have something in the foreground and something in the background, you can make it look like they're different heights than they should be by where you have them in the frame for the camera. So in this one, I had myself jumping into a mug. So that was a lot of fun, but it took us so many takes to try and get it right. It's not a tricky concept to get your head around, but it's quite difficult to pull off in practice. So I hope you have fun, and don't worry if you can't get it exactly right. It's cool to know how these things work, and if you're watching a movie, then you can look out for these kind of camera tricks, and you'll be able to say, ah, I know how they did that, which is always a fun thing to be able to say. I hope you're having as much fun making these challenges as I am, and please do send us your stuff, because we would love to see any films that you've been making.